What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be back on Lady Bird Lake in today's video. This footage that was actually shot 2 days after my best day ever video, where I caught, you know, if you saw that video, you're aware of what happened in that video. Absolute mayhem ensued. Today's video, we're targeting schooling fish, man. We're hitting them with a frog over the grass mats, first light, and then we're moving out from the grass mat, throwing a super spook, working it real quick, getting that reaction bite, and then as soon as those fish stop busting and they go down, I'm taking a little tiny Kitech on a ball head jig that has a screw lock on it. I think VMC makes it. Really natural presentation. I'm doing that on a little bit more of a finesse presentation, 20-pound braid to a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader, and I'm just slow rolling that down there. Because when those fish stop busting, they haven't necessarily stopped eating. They just they're following the bait fish back down, and they're eating, you know, 10, 15 feet below the surface. So I'll throw that swim bait out, let it sink for about, you know, a good 5 to 8 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, like a slow count. And then I'm just kind of creeping it, man. Just nice, slow retrieve. Kitechs have a really good scent. They look really natural in the water, and it's the exact size of the bait fish they're eating. So, got a good one for you guys. Don't you go nowhere. Stay tuned. Biggin'. Biggin', y'all. Boom, baby. That's how we starting it off, boy. That's how we starting it off. Look at that frog, you guys. This fish is about 3.5, I think. Choked. Get a quick weight. 4 pounds, 1 ounce, y'all. Oh, yeah. Come here. Biggin'. Another good one, y'all. Another good one. God, oh, she came off, you guys. My drag is too loose. That was a huge fish. I just broke off. I just broke off. What? What? Wow, I can't believe that. So I had later found out that it was my knot that had slipped on me. I use an improved clinch knot, and I've never had it fail on me until this day. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is a tank. That is a tank. That is a tank, you guys. Oh, you're acting weird. You're acting weird. I don't like the way you're acting. On the spook. On the spook. Come here, fish. Holy crap. I was not expecting that. Don't be doing crazy shit. Another nice one, y'all. Holy shit. They're right here. Oh. Holy shit, right next to me. God, they're fucking right next to my ass. Another solid one, y'all. Oh my God. Jesus. That was a huge one. How are they not getting that? Oh my gosh, y'all. That is a freaking big one. That's a big one, you guys. Holy shit. On the tiny swim bait. Where are you going, fish? Where are you going? Where are you going? On the tiny swim bait. On the Kitech. That is a big fish. Come here, fish. Oh, wow. Really, about a 4+, 4.5 maybe. Let's see how big she is. She is digging, you guys. I mean, digging. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Hell yeah, look at the gut. You think she's been feeding? She's been feeding on bait fish just like this. That is awesome. Oh, shoot. Got her. Oh man, the bite is just so good out here right now, y'all. Woo! Whoa, 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 she grew. She grew. How big? Whoa, she grew. How big are you? Fish. Oh. Is that a, oh yeah, that's a freaking solid one. Okay, she's not huge. Good one though, y'all. Good fish. Another one. Coming right at me. Don't know if she's big or not. She's coming right at me. She might dive right here. I don't know if that fish is big. She might be big. Oh, she came off right there. What? No freaking chance. Oh, that stinks. Come on, man. Oh, come on, baby. That might be a good one. Oh, she's coming up. Oh, yeah. Freaking good one, y'all. Good one. Good one. Come on now, fish. Nice. Nice fish. Don't you jump next to the boat, I swear. Don't you do it. Big old head shakes. Might be a 4-pounder. Oh yeah, freaking good one, y'all. A really good one, really good one. Come here, fish. Come here, come here. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that butte, baby. Kitech getting it done, y'all. Big, oh my God, big one. Yes. Freaking tank, you guys. Oh yeah, hell yeah, baby. I've missed 3 fish so far, y'all. That's a 4-pounder on the rage crawl. Look at that butte on the rage crawl. That might be a big one. Nice one. You know what? She wasn't huge. I'm not mad about that one getting off. I'm not mad about that. It was only about a 2.5, 3-pounder, I think. That is okay. Giant. Oh my God, you guys, it's a huge fish. Come on, chill, baby. Damn. God dang it. Man, I thought that was way bigger. It's a good one though. It's about a 3-pounder, y'all. Flipping the pit boss, she almost got me with that hook. Went through my pants. I don't know if I have her. I do have her. I do have her. That's a good fish too, yo. Pretty good. No, she's small. I'll take it though, yo. I will take it. Oh my god, it's a giant! It's a giant! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's a monster, you guys. It's a monster. It's a monster. Holy shit. Okay, she's not huge. She's not huge. Freaking nice though. Holy smokes. Gosh. Oh, yep, she is nice. Man, I thought she was giant when she hit that thing. Still a good one though.